Now in this judicial material, we are going to study 3 cases. First of all is the Vishaka and other versus State of Rajasthan and others. This is the citation of the case, the name of the court, petitioners in the case, respondents in the case and judgment passed on. Now we will see the facts. Banwari Devi, a woman belonging from Bhateri, Rajasthan, started working under the Women's Development Project run by the government of Rajasthan in 1985. In the 1987, as a part of her job, Banwari took up an issue of attempt rape of a woman who hailed from a neighboring village. For this act, she gained full support from the members of her village. In the year 1992, she took up another issue based on the government's campaign against child marriage. This campaign was subjected to disapproval and ignorance by all the members of the village, even though they were aware of the fact that child marriage is illegal. To seek revenge, 5 men of Gujar men brutally gang raped her for stopping a child marriage. The police had tried all possible ways to avoid filing any complaint against the accused, which resulted in delayed investigation. Even after facing so much criticism, she managed to lodge a complaint. In the absence of sufficient evidence and with the help of a local MLA, Dhanraj Meena, all the accused managed to get an acquittal in a trial court. But this acquittal resulted in a huge backlash from many women activists and organizations which supported Banwari. They came together and raised their voice to attain justice, which resulted in the filing of PIL. The PIL was filed by a women's rights group known as Vishaka. It laid its focus on the enforcement on the fundamental rights of a woman at a workplace under the provisions of Article 14, 15, 19 and 21 of the Constitution of the India. It also raised the issue of the need for a protection of a woman from sexual harassment at a workplace. So in this video we have seen the facts of the case Vishaka and other versus State of Rajasthan and others.